Hit two. You dumb piece of stuff. Ow.
Yeah, who's dumb now?
Sharp stuff on my back.
Exactly.
I don't even know how to sit. Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Today we've got something that is the reason we're out here right now, because it's too big to fit in my studio. It is an 8-foot diameter beach ball. Yes, you heard me right. 8-foot diameter, 12 feet from pole to pole, kind of if you go around it and whatnot. That's how they advertise it. Sounds better. But I found this on Walmart.com of all places for $45. Cheapest place at all that I could find this thing for that kind of price. It is insane. It is $45 and it's massive. It came in this box. It weighs quite a bit. And it's going to be super fun to review. So, let's get started.
Karambit knife.
Alright, so we're going to use this karambit knife to open this bad boy up from whatever side it wants to open up from.
Just don't puncture the beach ball.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It'd be unfortunate.
Okay. So be very careful when opening this thing up, because you don't want to puncture it. So really stick your slices to the cardboard. Oh, Lordy Jesus.
Wow.
Look at this bad boy, guys. Alright, let's close this before we cause problems.
Calling back the knife.
Give Colin the knife back. And
holy cow.
that's a beach ball, guys. Normally you could fit a beach ball in your pocket when it's deflated. Oh boy.
Oh wow.
Oh boy.
Roll it out. Why not?
Well, I want to smell it. It smells like a beach ball. I just wanted to smell it.
Wow.
This is, oh Lord.
You could fit in this. I could fit in this, and I'm big.
Yeah, a lot of people could fit in this. Good job, buddy. You'll get there in 10 years. I'm thinking about doing a video of me blowing this entire thing up by myself with my own lungs. But if you want to see that, pop it in the comment section, because that's quite the feat. And if you guys don't want to see it, I'm not going to do it. We're probably going to use a compressor this time to blow this thing up, but next time we might do it by ourselves.
We?
I might do it by ourselves.
There we go.
So, we're going to go grab a compressor. We're going to inflate this thing right up, and you'll see it when it's done. It's going to take forever, but we'll do it. So I'm using an air compressor for now until you guys tell me that you want to see differently. So let's do it. Alright guys, it's day 2. So this is what we've got so far from day 1. Took forever, not the most fun thing, but now we have an air mattress pump that's made to blow up things. So we are hoping that this is going to make a difference. So yeah, let's get this thing blown up. I'm excited. You know what they say, another day, another beach ball. Let's do it. Guys, this thing is ridiculous. Look at it. It literally looks like the size of one of those worms on that movie, the underground worms. You've seen the movie.
I know exactly what you're talking about. What it's called, I've got no idea.
Yeah, well, it's a movie with giant worms underneath the ground. This is literally what they look like. Alright guys, we'll come back at you when it's slightly more inflated, if that can happen. It's windy though, which is kind of concerning, but we'll come back. Right, Colin?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we had a little wind problem. It blew our setup away, so we might have lost a little bit of work, but it's definitely getting bigger. Haha. Haha, it's starting to look, I'd honestly say it's almost halfway. Right? It looks about 4 feet tall, right?
About that.
All right, Colin!
What? It's fine.
Yeah, it's windy. This is interesting. But we'll get it done. This is what we've got so far, guys. Yes, the wind is still blowing, but looking at it from this side, we are making genuine progress. You could say we're probably somewhere near the 2/3 mark. We've got our little air mattress pump there. We've got a lot more colors. This thing is getting close to my height already, and it's looking good. It's looking good. It's not taking as long as I thought, so that's a good thing. Alright guys, I got the ultra wide camera on it, that's why it looks manageable, but let me get just a little bit closer to this thing. It is freaking massive. Oh yeah, there we go. Colin is 6 foot tall. It's not even fully inflated yet, but it's getting pretty darn close. We've lost the pump in there somewhere, so Colin's gonna get to it. Oh, hold on, get to that. Hurry up. That's a problem. Oh yeah. So it took a while. Don't expect to be able to get this thing and inflate it and be going within 10 minutes. Unless you got one heck of a pump. It'd probably be easier to just get a leaf blower or something like that and nozzle it down to be able to fit. It's at least 2 feet taller than you. And it's not even done yet. It's still a little flat on the bottom. Guys, this is an 8 foot, at least an 8 foot diameter beach ball. It is literally massive. How much pressure the thing got? Oh, it's got a decent amount of pressure right now, but not enough. We're gonna take out at least a couple of these crinkles. Wow. That is an 8 foot beach ball right there. Holy crap. What?
Good lord.
Oh my gosh. Just looking at it from your view, like looking up at it, it's freaking massive. Yeah, I'd say it's about 8 foot. If not a little bit more.
Just don't want to overblow it up.
We'll go a little bit longer because at the creases it's still like got some softness to it. But it is close.
Got pressure, dude.
Alright Colin, you know what? I think we're good.
Yeah? You sure?
Yep. Let's take the nozzle off. Turn off our pump, which is very warm. Close that bad boy up. Hold on, I'll push from the other side. Oh, that's in, buddy. Oh my goodness.
You got an 8 foot beach ball.
Looking at you walk around with it is hilarious, dude. Oh my. Alright, well, okay. Wait, there's something inside of it.
What?
There's something inside of it.
How do you know?
Turn it back around. I saw the shadow. Okay, turn it this way. There's something inside. See me?
Oh.
Dude, that hits. Wait. Oh. Wait, you think we could keep it up in the air?
Cool, that's not gonna be easy. Try.
Let's try it.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it right out here, bud. Oh. Hey, dude! Colin, where are you going? Try not to puncture it. Whoa! Oh. Oh, it buried me! Alright, I'm ready. Alright, careful with that tree. Nice. Whoa! How do you get it up?
Look, come here. Yourself?
Yes, let's keep it up! Oh my god. Oh, oh god. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh, no, boy. Woo. Oh yeah!
No! That way. Redirect.
I got it, I got it. Oh god, it's so scary. Oh.
Oh! Not towards the tree. Yeah, not that way, not that way.
Coming fast. Well, it was. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that review of this $45 8-foot tall beach ball. It was a ton of fun to review. It's heavy, it takes forever to inflate, but man is it worth it. If you want to see other things done with this ball in the future, let me know down in the comments. Other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right near the ball. If you want to check out the last video, it's up there. And if you want to check out the playlist with lots more product reviews, can't say they're like this, but they're pretty cool. Up there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.